Let's talk about that sweet tooth we all proudly flaunt. You know, the one that whispers, "Give me something sweet and give it to me now." Well, guess what? We've got the perfect remedy for your sweet cravings on Delishop. Let's make heavenly dessert, vermicelli paisa, that will make your taste buds do a happy dance. What makes vermicelli paisa so special? It's the perfect blend of textures, the softness of cooked vermicelli, the crunch of roasted nuts, and the burst of sweetness in every spoonful. Vermicelli paisa is not just a dessert, it's a tradition, a memory, and a whole lot of sweetness packed into one bowl. It's a dessert that caters to your cravings and leaves you yearning for that next delightful scoop. With Dilishop, you can make more desserts like kaju roll, sabudana paisa, rice kheer, and many more. So grab your spoons and get ready for a symphony of flavors because in every bite there's a story waiting to be told.